all the tribes together, even the people that may not be privy to what's going on, and we see tribes passing by, we imploring them to come see what this is about and gather themselves together, right? Go ahead.
Gather all the tribes of Jacob together,
Right.
and inherit down them, as from the beginning.
Right.
O Lord, have mercy upon the people that is called by thy name, and upon Israel, whom thou hast named thy firstborn.
Right? Israel, right? The seeds of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. We are the chosen seed, the firstborn of the Most High. Read on.
O be merciful unto Jerusalem,
Right.
thy holy city, the place of thy rest. Fill Zion with thine unspeakable oracles.
Right? Because according to Psalms 147 and 19 through 20, the oracles and the words of the Most High is only given to us.
That's right.
We're going to be the only ones that's going to be able to bring this word out. Right? Read on.
And thy people with thy glory.
Right?
Give testimony unto those that thou hast possessed from the beginning.
From when?
From the beginning.
So we've been with the Most High from the very beginning in the spirit world, right? And even in this, the first shall finish last and the last shall finish first. We were the last nation to be created. We was also the first nation to be created, right? Go ahead.
And raise up prophets that have been in thy name.
Right?
Reward them that wait for thee.
Patiently waiting on Yahweh Shai, right? Gathering ourselves together, remembering the times of old, right? Carrying out the oracles, carrying out the laws and the judgments, right? Things that we have to do in order to rehearse these righteous acts so that the Most High would look on us and have mercy on our people, right? Go ahead.
And let thy prophets be found faithful. O Lord, hear the prayer of thy servants, according to the blessing of Aaron.
Give me some right here, right there. Give me some right to the Bible. Bring it out.
Goes to the book of Deuteronomy chapter 4, verse number 10. Especially in the day that thou stoodest before Yahweh, thy power and horror, when Yahweh said unto me, gather me the people together.
Do what?
Gather me the people together.
What are we doing?
Gather me the people together. And I will make them hear my words, that they may learn to fear me.
So that's what we're doing. We're gathering the people together so they can hear the words. We're not out here speaking vainly from our own belly. We speaking thus saith the Lord. So they might hear the words. We can't say it better than he said it. So we gonna go line upon line, precept on precept, and give our people the word. Right? Read on.
All the days that they shall live upon the earth,
Right?
that they may teach their children.
Wait, what?
That they may teach their children.
Because we gotta rise up a righteous generation. It's bigger than us. It's not just about us. It's about the generation that come after us and the generation after them, right? It's truly about the future, about the children, right?
The book of Sirach, chapter 25, verse 1. And three things I was beautified, and stood up beautiful before God and men.
Right?
The unity of brethren.
What?
The unity of brethren.
What?
The unity of brethren. The love of neighbors.
Right?
A man and a wife that agree together.
And at the summit, you see all three of those things.
Right.
That's what the summit is about.
Right.
The unity of neighbors, right? What they say, a man and his wife.
That's right.
And what's that first one? The unity of what?
The unity of brethren.
The unity of brethren.
Right.
That's what the whole summit is based upon, right? Give me 2 Maccabees 1 and 26, right? Give me Judges 20 and 11. Right? It's all about us coming together. It's all about us restoring the righteousness within our nation. Because Deuteronomy, I think that's 6 and 24 through 25 said that this is our righteousness. That we keep the law and we come back to it and uphold it, right? What you got? Read that. Start at 26.
Comes the book of 2 Maccabees chapter 1 and verse 26. Receive the sacrifice that the whole people Israel.
That who?
That the whole people Israel. And preserve thine own portion.
Right.
And sanctify it.
And what?
And sanctify it.
Read.
Gather those together.
Do what?
Gather those together that are scattered from us.
Right.
Deliver them that serve among the heathen.
See, and it don't matter if we in Texas, North Carolina, Atlanta, New York. When the summit is in play, we all gathering from all these different places we've been scattered, right? To come lift up the name of Yahweh by Yahweh Shai, right? Finish that out.
Gather those that are scattered from us. Deliver them that serve among the heathen.
Right.
Look upon them that are despised and abhorred, and let the heathen know that thou art God.
That what?
That thou art God.
And that's what we came to do, man. Let the heathen know that we can gather together without no folly. right? It ain't gotta, even though we gon' barbecue, it don't gotta just be a barbecue.
That's right.
Ain't no herb smoke going on, ain't no dice shooting, ain't none of that, right? We gather in righteousness, right? Give me 1 Corinthians. You got something else? Yeah, finish that up.
Come, verse 28. Punish them that oppress us,
Okay, that's right.
and with pride do us wrong.
Yeah, go ahead.
Come, verse 28. Punish them that oppress us, and with pride do us wrong.
Right. Punish them that punish us, right? And that properly do us wrong. We understand that we in the land of our captivity, but we gonna praise the Most High despite. And those that seek to murder us and that seek to give us the travail and the tribulations, we pray that the Most High bring them down, right? Go ahead.
Come, verse 29. Plant thy people again.
What?
Plant thy people again.
Like, remember when we was reading earlier? The plan of
God. Plant thy people again in thy holy place, as Moses has spoken.
Right, because we hate it here. We can't wait to leave, right?
Right.
Go ahead.
Book of Judges, chapter 20, verse 11. So all the men of Israel.
So what?
So all the men of Israel
Were what?
were gathered against the city, knit together as one man.
As what?
As one man.
As what?
As one man.
And we know that one man is a Mashiach. We are the body of a Mashiach. And we stand here knit together as one man from all different sections of the country, from all different four corners of the earth. We got an elder that came from Africa, right? But we all stand here together, knit together for the name of Yahweh B'Shem Yahweh Shai, right? Bring that out.
Cause the book of 1 Corinthians, chapter, what you say, 12?
Chapter 12, verse 4.
Chapter 12, verse number 4. Now, there are diversities of gifts,
My last precept.
but the same Spirit.
Read on.
And there are differences of administrations, but the same Lord.
Right.
And there are diversities of operations, but it is the same God.
The what?
The same God,
Read.
which worketh all in all. But the manifestation of the Spirit is given to every man to profit withal.
So we know that we have different lots. We got diversities of spirits. We got different gifts. But we bring all those gifts and that diversity together for us to lift up the name of the Lord, right?
That's right.
And we gonna wrap it up with that. I say, Kwame Shala.
Kwame Shala.
Kwame Shala.
Kwame Shala.
Kwame Shala.
Kwame Shala.
And death to America.
Death to America.